Hi children, this is Kumar, mathematics teacher, grade 7.
Now, let us see the multiplication and division of integers. The multiplication rule. The product of two positive integer is a positive integer. The product of negative integer and positive integer is negative integer. The product of positive integer and negative integer is negative integer. The product of two negative integer is positive integer. For example, the first one is 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 6 is a positive integer, 5 is a positive integer. Product of two positive integer is positive integer. So 6 5s are 30. Then second one, minus 7 into 5. So 7 5s are 35. Minus 7 is a negative integer. 5 is the positive integer. So the product of negative integer and positive integer is negative integer. So minus 7 into 5 is minus 35. Then 3 into minus 6. The product of positive integer and negative integer is negative integer. So 3 6 are 18, plus into minus is minus. Then product of minus 5 into minus 5. The product of two negative integer is a positive integer. So 5 5 is a 25, minus into minus plus. Then the product of even number of negative integers is positive integers. Product of even number of negative integers is a positive integers. For example, minus 4 into minus 3. So here product of two negative integer, two even number of negative integer is a answer is a positive integer. So minus 4 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 4 3 is a 12. So the answer is positive. Then one more example, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 2. Here product of even number of negative integers. Minus 1 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, 1 2 is to 2. Minus 3 into minus 2, 3 2s are 6, minus into minus plus. So 2 6 are 12. So the answer is 12. The next one is very important. Minus 1 to the power even number is a answer is plus 1. For example, minus 1 to the power 60. 60 is the even number. So the answer is plus 1. Then product of odd number of negative integers is negative integers. The product of odd number of negative integers is negative integers. For example, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 4. Here product of odd number of negative integers. So minus 1 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2. 2 4s are 8, plus into minus minus. So the answer is minus 8. Here minus 1 to the power odd number is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power odd number is minus 1. So for example, minus 1 to the power 3. 3 is the odd number. So the answer is minus 1. So here minus 1 to the power even number is equal to plus 1. Minus 1 to the power odd number is minus 1. Next one is division. Positive integer divided by positive integer is a positive integer. Negative integer divided by positive integer is negative integer. Positive integer divided by negative integer, we get negative integer. Negative integer divided by negative integer, we get positive integer. If the dividend and the divisor are both positive or both negative, the quotient is positive. For example, 8 divided by 4. So 8 is a positive integer, 4 is a positive integer. So 8 divided by 4. So the dividend and the divisor both are positive. The quotient is positive. Then one more example, minus 8 divided by minus 2. So the dividend and divisor both are same sign. So the quotient is positive. Then if either the dividend or the divisor is positive and the other is negative, the quotient is negative. For example, minus 8 is a negative integer divided by 2 is a positive integer, we get the negative integer. So minus 8 divided by plus 2 is equal to minus 4. The second one, 12 divided by minus 6. 12 is a positive integer, minus 6 is a negative integer. So positive integer divided by negative integer, we get a negative integer. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. So the answer is minus 2. The properties of multiplication and division of integers. The first property is closure property, then multiplication. The product of two integers should be an integer, then only the closure property is satisfied. For any two integers a and b, a into b is an integer. For example, minus 3 is an integer, 4 is also integer. So the product of two integer is minus 12. So minus 12 is also an integer. So the multiplication is satisfied for closure property. The next one is division. The division of two integers should be an integer, then only the closure property is satisfied. For any two integers a and b, a divided by b is not an integer. For example, minus 7 divided by 3 is equal to minus 7 divided by 3 is not an integer. So division is not satisfied for closure property. The next property is commutative property. The first one is multiplication. Multiplication is commutative for integers. For any two integers a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. For example, take any two values of a and b. So here a value is minus 4, then b value is 3. So product of a into b. So minus 4 into 3, minus 4 3s are minus 12, b into a. So 3 into minus 4, 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. So both are same. So the multiplication is commutative for integers. Division. Division is not commutative for integers. For any two integers a and b, a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. For example, take any values of a and b. So here a value is 6, b value is 2. A divided by b. 6 divided by 2. So 6 is an integer, 2 is also integer. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. But b divided by a. So b's value is 2, a value is 6. 2 divided by 6 is equal to 1 divided by 3. Here 3 is not equal to 1 divided by 3. So division is not commutative for integers. The next property is associative property, multiplication. Multiplication is associative for integers. For any integers a, b and c, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. For example, take any values of a, b and c. So here a value is 3, b value is minus 5, then c value is minus 7. So what is the left hand side? A into b into c. So 3 into b value is minus 5, c value is minus 7. So 3 into negative integer and negative integer is positive integer. 5 7s are 35. So 3 into 35 is 105. It is a left hand side. So what is the right hand side? A into b into c. So a value is 3, b value is minus 5, then c value is minus 7. So here 3 into minus 5 plus into minus is minus into minus 7. Here negative integer and negative integer, product of negative integer and negative integer is positive integer. 50 into 7 is 105. So now left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the multiplication is associative for integers. Division. The division is not associative for integers. For any integers a, b and c, a divided by b divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c. For example, take any three values of a, b and c. Here a value is 16, b value is minus 8, c value is 2. So what is the left hand side? A divided by b divided by c. Now you substitute these values. A value is 16 divided by b value is minus 8, then c value is 2. So here 16 divided by 8 divided by 2 is 4. Negative integer divided by positive integer is negative integer. So minus 4. Next one is 16 divided by minus 4. Positive integer divided by negative integer is negative integer. 16 divided by 4 is minus 4 value, minus 4. What is the right hand side? A divided by b is divided by c. A divided by b is divided by c. So a value is 16 divided by b value is minus 8, then c value is 2. 16 divided by 8, 2. Positive integer divided by negative integer is negative integer. So minus 2 divided by 2. So minus 2 divided by 2 value is minus 1. Negative integer divided by positive integer is negative integer. So the answer is minus 1. Here left hand side is minus 4. Right hand side is minus 1. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So the division is not associative for integers.
I give few questions. Do it yourself.